Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing great. Today I am here with another new video in which I will tell you about the speaker problem in your device GT2 Pro Realme. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. If you are having any issue regarding your speaker or your speaker of the device is not working, you can solve it by the way as I am showing in the video. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand about the speaker problem in your device Realme GT2 Pro. Let's watch the video.